guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best 360 cameras. I made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the 360 cameras in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify them when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best 360 cameras on the market right now. Coming in number 10, we've got the Kandoo Qoocam 8K 360. When it comes to image quality, the Qoocam 8K is one of the best 360 cameras you can think of right now. It comes with a 1.7-inch CMOS sensor, 10-bit color, and of course 8K resolution. Again, when it comes to the quality of its photos and videos, the Qoocam 8K is peerless in the 360-degree market. Its photos have plenty of color and contrast, like nothing we've seen before from a camera like this. Its ability to spit out a great-looking photo from a 360-degree video is welcome, while the detail, sharpness, and smoothness of video, whether it's 360 degrees or cut down to widescreen itself, makes the Qoocam 8K a giant leap forward for creative filmmakers. Number 9. Vuze XR. Designed to make shooting 360 degrees and 180-degree photos and videos into an easy and intuitive process, the Vuze XR is effectively two cameras for the price of one. With the press of a single button, you can switch between 360-degree 2D and 180-degree 3D modes, shooting half a sphere or a full sphere of VR footage as you please. The XR also allows for in-camera image stitching, as well as live broadcasting, further opening up your creative options, and the useful smartphone app also allows you to better monitor and control what you're doing. Beautifully designed and producing excellent footage to match, the Vuze XR is an excellent tool for 360-degree imaging, though perhaps a little bulky and offbeat for mainstream users. Coming in number 8, Garmin VIRB 360. If your footage is cut across walking in the rain, the VIRB 360 is a rugged action cam that is waterproof to a depth of 10 meters and comes with clip-on cradles for both a regular tripod mount and a GoPro mount. You can operate it as a standalone camera via a small mono display and 3 multifunction buttons, or you can control it with the VIRB app. It comes with a built-in GPS and G-metric sensors that offers data overlays for extreme sports fans who want their viewers to see this extra data. So if you like rugged adventures, this is the tool for the job. But newer cameras like the GoPro MAX and the Insta360 models mean the VIRB 360 now feels a little dated. Plus, the Garmin VIRB 360 is becoming harder to find outside of the US. So international users may want to consider some other options on this list. Coming in number 7, Rylo 360. Small and compact, the Rylo 360's small GoPro-like profile makes it a great 360 camera for action sports, as its low profile is ideal for attaching to a helmet, bike, or any other action-filled activity. However, if you're going to get it wet, you'll want to get the Adventure case, as it lacks any sort of waterproofing. The case, which is increasingly hard to find, costs around $70 and only provides waterproofing for up to 10 feet. Going out of the case cover, we like the footage we shot with a Rylo 360, and what makes it even better is its motion stabilization, which keeps the horizon level no matter how bumpy the ride. Number 6. Insta360 ONE R Twin Edition. Looking for a unique proposition of both 4K and 360 action cams? The Insta360 ONE R Twin Edition is your one-stop 360 camera. Released at the start of 2020, The Insta360 ONE R Twin Edition is a very enticing proposition indeed, and may well be indicated of a future for 360-degree cameras. Little wonder it's called Twin Edition, because it's two cameras in one, coming with two lens modules that are easy to swap between. One turns it into a straight 4K action camera, the other gives it 360-degree shooting capabilities. And it's got loads of extra features too, including 5 meters of waterproofing. Its AI-powered algorithms also augmented the various shooting modes, and particularly impressive auto frame mode, which can automatically find and pick out the action in a 360-degree video. Coming in at number 5, Samsung Gear 360. Samsung was one of the first companies to make a truly useful 360 camera, and though it's been several years since it released anything new, its Gear 360 camera from 2017 remains a fairly useful and functional device. The Gear 360 has a fun, lollipop-like shape that makes it easy to hold in one hand, and can even withstand a few splashes. It also has a tripod mount, if you want to attach it to your bike or something else. The Gear 360 takes good photos and videos up to 4K in size, and live streams to Facebook and YouTube too. However, there are a few big caveats. It only works fully with Samsung smartphones, from the Galaxy S6 and up. And while it works with the iPhone 7 and later, not all of the camera features are supported. If you have a Samsung smartphone though, the Gear 360 is a fun accessory. Coming in number 4, Ricoh Theta Z1. One of the challenges faced by most 360 cameras is their relatively small sensor size, and when it comes to low-light photography and videos, they're not so great. However, if you need a 360 camera for that purpose and the price is no object, then you should consider the Ricoh Theta Z1. This well-built device uses two 1-inch backside illuminated CMOS sensors, which help deliver some of the best images we've seen from a 360 camera, especially under less than ideal conditions. Additionally, the Theta Z1 has dual microphones, which deliver great audio, and the camera's motion stabilization was pretty effective too. The Z1 uses an Android-based operating system, and Ricoh is letting third-party developers create plugins for the camera, increasing its functionality. Though the camera lacks expandable storage, if you prize image quality above all else, this is the camera to get. Number 3. Insta360 ONE X. There is an Insta360 EVO which offers both 360 imaging and 3D, but it's boxy and bulky, and we prefer the enduring appeal of the Insta360 ONE X, thanks to its shirt pocket size, excellent stabilization, and an app that offers advanced video editing and subject tracking on your smartphone. It's every bit as good as they say. You get the odd shimmer during low lighting shooting indoors, and in decent light, it's as smooth as you like. Even better, if you get the optional invisible selfie stick, it's hidden in the recorded footage, and it looks like you're a bystander in your videos and photos and not holding the camera at all. On release, the Insta360 ONE X felt like a massive step forward in simplicity, usability, and quality for 360 cameras, and it still works brilliantly now. The only reason we've put more recent 360 cameras above it on our list is that newer models offer better quality, versatility, or waterproofing. But for casual 360 experimenters and travel videos, the ONE X remains superb. Coming at number 2, GoPro MAX. Forget the old GoPro Fusion, the GoPro MAX is the new 360 king. Though the GoPro MAX looks like a 360-degree action cam for enthusiasts, actually anyone could use this camera. The magic of 360 and the GoPro MAX is that you can hit record and forget about framing, then edit your footage in the app. We put this as the second best on our list because of its good quality capture and microphones, and the way it can double up as a vlogging cam and an action cam too, though not in 4K. Regular 4K single camera capture would have been better still, and the app experience could use some work, but given everything the Max can do, it's still a sensational step forwards that could genuinely be the future of filmmaking, and right now, we think it's the second best 360 camera around. Number 1. Insta360 Pro 2. The Insta360 Pro 2 uses 6 lenses to shoot 8K 360-degree 3D video and 12K photos. It does cost a few thousand, but you'll probably understand why as we get on. The Pro 2's 3D model captures videos at up to 30 frames per second in 8K or 120 frames per second in 4K. The camera can also shoot in a monoscopic mode, a non-3D mode to capture 8K video at up to 60 frames per second. The Pro 2 can also impressively live stream in 4K 3D and at the same time record 8K. Pro 2 uses an ultra-precise gyroscope that tracks motion on 9 axes, meaning that you can control the Pro 2 at a distance. You won't have to be in the shot to get the shot. Plus, there's also room for a full-size SD card that captures stabilization data and low-res proxy files. And that brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best 360 cameras in 2021. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.